Today, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Let's go. Alrighty, so we're looking at the chart right now. We're looking at the weekly chart, the Bitcoin to USD on Bitstamp. Okay, so last week, we highlighted that the 51K zone or resistance level is what Bitcoin needs to break and hold in order for it to be resumed as a bull market, or we are confirmed in an upward trend. Okay, and right now we are in a downward trend. How do I know that we're in a downward trend? From the top, make it drop. Okay, that's why I know we're in a short-term downward trend. Okay, now let's talk about last week. So last week, looking at this particular candle, let's zoom in a bit. Looking at this particular candle, we can see that, hey, we had a lot of buyers step in. How do I know the buyers step in? The candle is green. Okay, and then we see that body closure. So the body closure shows that the body closed above 38K. However, this wick is telling us that we had a lot of sellers selling at these prices. However, the buyers bought at these prices. Okay, now it's time for the indicators. All right, so from the weekly chart, the indicators are telling us that, hey, we're running out of momentum from sell pressure on the MACD. Okay, you see that red, it's getting smaller, so that's letting us know that we're running out of sell pressure. Okay, looking at the stochastic RSI, we said we have broken that 20 level that I talked about last week, and let's make the stochastic RSI bigger. Okay, we can see that we are trending upwards, so we'll see what this week is looking like. So we could see price rise this week. I don't know how high, but we could see some price levels rising this week. All right, looking at the RSI, we can see that it's leveling out, and I highlighted that 47 may be resistance on the RSI on the weekly. Okay, now it's time for my analysis. Okay, so what I'm looking at here is we're looking at my monthly chart. In one of my videos, I highlighted that, hey, the higher the time frame, the more powerful the chart is. Okay, so even though I'm highlighting indicators are lagging, we can see that this MACD cross is powerful. You might be asking, why am I saying this is powerful? When we look at the past, the last time we had a cross on the MACD, you see that cross right there? We were in a zone. We were in a downward trend for at least 6 months, 6 to 7 months before we got a reversal. Okay, I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but with all the news and everything that's happening right now, this is what I'm anticipating. So we may see some more sell pressure coming in until about May, June, July. And I'm hoping I'm wrong, but this is what I see. Still trending downwards. So we may still touch this 35K range, or even drop below and hit this 29K. Alright, I'm Bo DJ from Rare Crypto. Thanks for rocking with me. Tune in next week for Rare Crypto. Let go.